simple video today. As you can see, I've got this Volkswagen key and the ring is actually broken. Managed to get a replacement off eBay, £4, absolute bargain. So I'm basically just going to replace the gubbins on that, and it's the same principle if you want to change the battery. So really simply, open up the key, okay, turn it over so you've got the VW sign, give it a little twist, that comes apart. And then all you need to do, flat blade screwdriver, unclip that, and there you've got your little programmer and you've got your battery there. Same here, just open that up, turn it over, pull it apart, take that section off. Okay. So we're going to keep that, that's not a problem. So just using a little trim tool, take the battery out, just be really careful. Battery goes in there. And then just very gently pop out the little circuit board. You can use something like a trim tool, you can use a paper clip, try not to touch the circuit board, pop that out. Make sure it goes in the right place. So it goes that way. Add the clip on top. Make sure it just snaps together neatly. And then you've got the existing key, you can still use that. Turn it over. Slot it in nicely. Make sure it clicks. And there you go, just give it a test and it should work. So all you need to do now is just test it. Perfect. Something you can do yourself.